This is our room. Keep the wardrobes, and we get to keep that big TV downstairs. And this, I guess, too. Get a full view of it. This is the guest bedroom.
You smoke that, Billy?
Hmm?
Do you smoke?
Yeah, I do. Yeah, sure, I'll be there now. Thanks.
Not really smoking house, but you do it anyway.
Alright, okay. That's good to know. Huge living room. How's that? But yeah, we get to keep this TV.
Alright. Maybe, you know, I can give you a call sometime. Maybe talk or something.
This is the kitchen. Bit of a mess in the moment, but it will get better. And the bathroom's terrible, but it will be fixed up. In fact, it looks really terrible. Oh, it's the back garden, yay!